Week 6 of day 39 of the 5 Tibetan Rites challenge. Let's get started. Today we're going to repeat 13 times each exercise. There are 5 Tibetan Rites, so let's get started. Relax your body, straight up tall. Raise up your arms, fingers together and on the side like that. We're going to turn on the right 13 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Just put the hands on the waistline and take a 3 deep breaths in and out. Inhale with your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Now the second Tibetan rite, lay down flat. Hands beside your body. Inhale, chin to the chest, legs up, straighten them up as much as you can. And then slowly come all the way down and exhale. Inhale up, exhale down. Let's do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now you can have a seat and take a 3 deep breaths in and out. Now the third Tibetan rite, you're on your knees. Behave again. Hands beside your thighs, chin to the chest. Inhale, bend backward, and then exhale, come back. Inhale, bend, exhale, come back. Make sure chin to the chest. And now bend and exhale. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You can have a seat and take a 3 deep breaths in and out. Now the fourth Tibetan rite. Feet are at front of you, shoulder wide apart, hands beside your body, chin to the chest. Inhale deeply, raise up your torso at the same time, stretch a little bit, and then exhale, come all the way down. That's 1. Inhale up, exhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now take 3 more deep breaths in and out. And the last, the 5th Tibetan Rite. Hands shoulder wide apart, feet further, head up. Inhale deeply, raise up your torso, stretch the body, and then exhale, come back. That's 1. Inhale up, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost done, 10, 11, 12, and the last one, 13. Come all the way down, stretch the whole body, take a moment, and now come all the way up and take a 3 deep breaths in and out. And we are all done for today. I hope you feel wonderful right now, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.